Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are gonna unbox my gaming computer, which is gonna be fun and exciting. Let's open it up.
Take it out, take it out, take it out.
Oh cow.
Hi. He's cuter than this.
Oh.
You're in the way, Grace.
Grace, you're gonna help?
Whoa! Oh. Ooh. Okay, Silas is getting attacked by a boss, guys. Can you save your It's okay, Silas. Come here, buddy. Ooh, things. Ooh, a keyboard. Whoa!
Why?
Alright, go. Okay, just wait a sec, Grace.
1 second.
Is it a 3D printer? No, I'm joking.
Is it? No, don't know.
Does it come with a keyboard?
No? Came with the keyboard.
What? Can I open the keyboard box?
Go ahead. Upstairs.
Alright. Gareth got a computer
Tower.
It's a computer.
No.
It glows. It's a gaming computer. Good job, honey. What do you think of Daddy's new toy?
I love it.
Silas, do you like the new toy?
I'm going to today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Guys, do give a big thumbs up. Good. See you guys back here in the new future. Have a good day. Goodbye.